YouTube, we are back with Timeless Treasures. The box you hope for a redemption in. Some good chances it's gonna suck. This box is a quickie. Has a Mark Sanchez on front, so it can't be that good. Alright, the first one is Jack Lambert's. Numbered 112 out of 499 for the Steelers. This way. What was that? Daniel Thomas for the MAAA Dolphins. That must be numbered to 67 out of 100 for the Dolphins. That's Team Hog again. I think this one is too. Get some Team Hog. Daniel Thomas again. The jersey version. Making rainbows. And for the Dolphins again. For the Rams. Sammy Bradford, jersey, numbered 73 out of 250, and the Daniel Thomas was 12 out of 250. All right, that was quick and easy. Not too painful. Bye-bye.